first you need to do your skincare, and for that I'm gonna apply my lip balm. And I've already done my skincare. So now I'm gonna apply some serum. I'm gonna use this from Dalba, as this is really amazing when you have a sensitive and a combination kind of a skin. So I'm gonna apply it on all over my face. By the way, this is the series where I'll be telling every makeup look which you see on Pinterest all the time in the easiest way possible, especially if you are someone who are really new to makeup. As in this video, we're going to do the sultry eye makeup, and this is my inspiration. I'm going to apply the orange color corrector which is from ELF, as I have the hyperpigmentation. So first I'm going to correct it, and you also need to do the same thing if you have the pigmentation like I do. And I'm going to apply this color corrector under my eyes, but in a very less amount, and also here and around my mouth area, because this is the area where I have the pigmentation. So you also need to apply in those areas where you have the darkness on your face. Now I'll be blending this color corrector, and I'm only gonna blend it wherever I have the darkness. I'm not gonna spread it on all over my face because there's no need. After applying the orange color corrector, I'm gonna apply some green color corrector on my red bumps. If you have the same thing, do it, but you only need to spot conceal it. There's no need to apply it on all over your face. Now after doing the color correction, I'm going to apply the same serum so that it can give me a really smooth kind of a base. Now for the base, I'm going to use this concealer. I'm not going to use any foundation. I'm just going to apply it on all over my face. This is from L'Oreal, and this is the same shade of my skin tone. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and around my mouth. This concealer gives a really nice coverage, so I'm not going to over apply it. And some of it here. I'm going to blend this concealer on all over my face by using this big brush, and I'm just going to dab it into my skin. And you see there's no need for the foundation here because this is giving a really nice coverage. I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids so that I can have an even skin tone. Now I'm going to do the eye makeup before setting my face with the concealer and the loose powder. And for that, first we need to do the eyebrows, because in this, the eyebrows needs to look really sharp and edgy. And to do it, I'm going to take this brow gel. I'm simply going to brush it over my brows like this in the upward direction, because I want my brows to look really sharp and edgy. And then I'm going to carve it from the end like this. Then I'm going to wait for some time so that it can settle into my brows. Then I'm going to take this brow pencil which is from ELF, and I'm going to fill all the gaps in my brows. And also I'm going to shape it from the front side. Then I'm going to carve a tail from the end. You see, this is giving me really edgy and lifted kind of brows. This is what you have to do when you do this type of makeup, especially when you have hooded eyes. Now I'm going to take this type of brush so that I can blur any harsh line on my brows. Then I'm going to take this light shade concealer and I'll be applying it on the back of my hand, and then I'll be taking this small detailing brush, buff this into this concealer, and I'm going to carve my brows from the end, as I want them to look really sharp. So I'm just gonna carve it from the front and from the end. I'm taking a loose powder or a pressed powder, you can take any of it, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids, as this is going to make your eye blending really easy. So it's better if you first apply some loose powder or the pressed powder by taking it towards your hairline till here, as this is also the area where you do the blending. So this also needs to be matte. First I'll take this kind of shade. I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'll be applying this shade very close to my crease line, but only on the outer side, as this is very pigmented, so you need to apply it in a very less amount. And then I'm going to blend it towards the inner side of my eyes like this. It should not be done above your crease line, or else it's going to look really messy and bad. Then to have that lifted kind of look, you need to blend it in the upward side as well, like this. But it should be done really softly. Do it like this. I'm going to take this kind of brown shade and I'll be applying it on the outer corner of my eye. I'll be smoking it towards the outward side. Now I'll be taking this kind of shade as this is the lightest one. I'm just gonna blend it on all over my eyes. This is gonna bring the eye look together. I'm gonna apply it in the outer side. Then I'll take the matte black shade on a very small detailing brush and I'm going to apply it below my crease line. This should not be applied above your crease line or else it's gonna look really bad. Then I'm gonna blend it below my crease line. And you have to blend the shade till it doesn't look that effortless and really soft. After blending the shade on your upper lid, take a really small detailing brush, take the same black shade and apply it in your lower lash line. Then you need to blend the shade towards your outer corner like this. You have to take this kind of black pencil and apply this black pencil in your waterline, as this black pencil is gonna give you that sultry kind of an eye look, so you have to apply this. And also apply this pencil very close to your upper lash line. After doing this eye makeup, take a mascara. I'm using this from Makeup Revolution and I'm gonna apply this mascara over my lashes. And in this eye look, there's no need to add fake lashes, so you can just go for your regular mascara. After applying the mascara, take any kind of shimmer shade, something like this or any shade, and apply it in your inner corner. Now take a concealer. I'm using this from Maybelline and you have to apply it first on the back of your hand or else it's gonna turn your under eyes grey. Take this kind of blending brush and buff this into this concealer and apply it underneath your eyes. After applying the concealer, I'm going to take this loose powder and this loose powder is of my exact shade, as you also need to do the same thing or else your under eyes can turn grey. So I'm going to take this loose powder and I'm going to buff it on my hand and then I'll be applying it underneath my eyes. Now you can see this is looking really matte and white and also kind of dry, so I'm going to apply some setting spray under my eyes. I'm using this from Milani. I'm just going to spray it under my eyes. I'm going to take a bronzer. I'm using this from Essence and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone. And I'm also going to apply it on my nose. And then I'll be blending this bronzer towards my eyebrows. After this, I'm going to take a powder bronzer. This is from Makeup Revolution and I'm going to apply it over this cream bronzer, as this is giving a very light coverage like this. And then I'm also going to apply it on my forehead, also in my jawline. And then I'm also gonna apply this bronzer underneath my eyes, but it should look really soft, so I'm gonna do it with a really light hand. I'm just gonna dust it underneath my eyes. Then I'll be taking a golden highlighter and I'm gonna take few pumps on the back of my hand and I'll be applying it on my nose tip and also on my nose bridge. And also gonna apply it here. And I'm also gonna apply it on my cupid bow. Then I'll take a new brown lip liner and I'm gonna line my lips. I'm just gonna slightly overline them. And I'll be applying a new brown lipstick only in the center of my lip. A little bit of gloss only on my cupid bow and in the center of my lip. Then I'm gonna highlight my beauty mark. I'll take the same pressed powder which I've used earlier on my eyes and I'm gonna dust it under my eyes. Now this is gonna bring everything together underneath my eyes.